Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to active a Visa card and how to use it on iPhone. First, take your Visa gift card and look it carefully. Some Visa gift cards are already active when you buy them. Other need active before use. Look at a stick or instruction on the card or packaging. If it says call to active or active online, you will need to do this first. First, open the Safari on your iPhone. Go to the website printed on the back of your Aadhaar card. This is usually the official activation or balance check page. Enter required details such as card number, expiry date, security code, then tap active or submit. Some card may ask you to call a phone number instead. If so, dial the number and follow the voice instruction. Once it's done, your card is activated. Now let's talk about how to use Visa gift card. You can use it anywhere Visa is accepted. To use it online on iPhone, enter the card number like normal debit card. Use the expiry date and CVV. Enter your name as shown on the card. To use in the store, add a card to Apple Pay if support, or swipe to the tap the physical card at checkout. Before spending, it's a good idea to check your balance. Just visit the same website on the back of the card and tap check balance. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.